Hi everyone, thank you for joining me here at Architectural Ceramics. We've got TileStream with Architectural Ceramics, and this is Tile Talk with Ginnie. I want to bring to your attention today something that's just been on our minds. We like to talk about sustainability within the buildings, in construction. It's a very hot topic, like a key word that we keep on hearing within the industry: sustainable, low VOC, all this stuff. I remember the first time I heard about low VOC, I was working for a remodeling company, and I was still newer to the industry, and I was like, wait, what are we talking about? What is this VOC? It's this big scary word. It's basically just chemicals. At the end of the day, it's chemicals that create a smell, and I've had to, now working here at Architectural Ceramics, I've run across clients that have a very large sensitivity to VOCs, and we actually find it a lot in building products. So whether it's your countertops, the sealant that they use on that, sometimes if we're not using the correct products, create high VOCs, and is that smell, and again, it creates bad reactions in different people, any range of things that can happen. So again, what I like about using porcelain and ceramic in your home, whether you're working on a kitchen backsplash, and again, yes, we are in our showroom kitchen here today. Welcome to all. It is a working kitchen because I made for y'all cookies today. Stop by Architectural Ceramics in Rockville if you want to taste. I know people in our other showrooms have heard about them and are very jealous they're not here with us today. Anyway, so again, in kitchens, in bathrooms, more than just the low VOC, and again, having a sustainable product, which means it can be recycled. These products, these ceramics and porcelains and terracotta, made from the earth, baked, and can then later be recycled. We don't have to worry about the chain, down to the adhesives that are used, the thin set that is used. We can get, here at Architectural Ceramics, we use Laticrete. We represent Laticrete products. They're fabulous, and they do have an entire line of low VOC to no VOC, depending on where we need to be within the industry, within the standards, whatever is more important to the client at the end of the day. But the other thing with using these products is that they're so easy to keep clean. And if you're like me, I cook a lot. I cook, I bake, my son is in the kitchen with me cooking. We make a mess because I'm using oils and red sauces and vinegars and limes and lemons. So all of these things have an effect within your space. Using mild soap and water with porcelain and ceramic, honestly, that's all you need. Sometimes even just a dry mop, a dry brush, a dry sweeping on the floor, and then using a wet mop to clean up the rest, that's all you need, honestly. But again, we also have low VOC cleaning products, should you need those as well. Should you want something a little bit more aggressive, don't use vinegars, don't use harsh chemicals, no scrubbing pads. All you're really doing then is hurting the grout of the installation, which then can flake out over time and allows then dirt to get into the grout joints, and that's the part that to me gets ugly and gross, and we don't want to do that. So mild soap and water, dial soap and water, sponge, go to town, very easy. But again, what I love with the porcelain products, specifically the larger format tiles that we're seeing here, they're not going to scratch, fade, chip, warp. They can take a beating. True testament, if you come to our showroom, several years back we had the earthquake, and all the tiles from our high shelves fell and crashed on the floor, to be expected, but then the porcelain installations that were down, installed correctly underneath, nothing's happened to them. You have to really want to take a sledgehammer to the space if you really want to destroy the porcelain. So for me, porcelain is going to be the most durable, the easiest to take care of, and the ceramics just create a great wall space, wipe and go. That's all we want to talk about today. Keeping it simple, easy, pretty, low VOC, sustainability, keeping it clean for our future generations, and again, keeping it safe for our future generations. That's it. That's Tile Talk with Ginnie, TileStream with Architectural Ceramics. Thank you for visiting us today. Chat with you later. Bye.